Go.
There you go. Hold on. Go. Do it. Woo! Woo! Do it again. Woo! You ready?
Go.
Yeah, just go. Ready? Yeah. I remember, you know. Yeah. Go.
You want to get the chick? Go. Yeah. No, stop.
Ready?
Go. Zoomed in.
Ready?
Yeah. Let's wait a little bit. Slow down.
What's your name?
What's up, man?
What's your name?
We're just making videos, man.
I noticed. I honestly shit out my heart on me.
What's up, man? You guys jump?
Dude. We just got train horned in the middle of a fucking Walmart parking lot.
Dude, it was awesome. Thanks, guys.
Later.
Right, man. See ya.
Be safe, man.
Go.
Where the hell they go? Just get the guy right by the door. Ready?
Get him.
Damn, you hear the echo? Dude? You good?
Yeah. No, none of them are looking, but hold on. Alright, hopefully.
You ready?
Go.
Did they jump?
Yeah. Now they're laughing about it.
Alright, we're good. Let's go. Oh shit.
Yeah, one of the chicks on the right.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm on him.
You like that?
Just get the chicks. Chicks are always good. Go. Go. You want?
Scare him?
No.
Go ahead. Do it. Just go.
Right out
Do
to
it now. We got some asshole following us. Oh.
Man, you got angry. I'm sorry.
Hey, calm down, man.
Fucking window.
Cut on the freeway.